केमिस्ट्री की ऑनलाइन कक्षा में आप सभी का हार्दिक अभिनंदन है। स्वागत है, चंदन एवं वंदन है। कभी कभी प्रतिकूलता प्रतिबद्धता को जन्म देती है। समसामयिक परिस्थितियां भी आज हमें भी प्रतिबद्धता की ओर विवश कर रही हैं। आइए हम सभी अध्ययन और अध्यापन के बीच अपना नाता रिश्ता जोड़ते हुए इसे भी प्रतिबद्ध करते हुए सफल बनाने का प्रयास करें। Now we move on. Our interesting chapter, chemical reaction and equation. This is very interesting chapter. First of all, we have also considered our mind on chemical reaction, and secondly we also move on equation. Chemical reaction in the process through which substance or substances reacts with another substance, substances and produce new substances is called chemical reaction. Chemical reaction, it means the process through which substance or substances, there are two words, one singular number and second plural number. In हिंदी, एक पदार्थ या पदार्थों से अर्थात दो या दो से अधिक भी पदार्थ इसमें एक दूसरे से रिएक्शन कर सकते हैं. It means the reaction vary also between reactants and products. The reactants which is behind, which is before of arrow. As hydrogen plus chlorine, arrow hydrogen chloride. This is the chemical reaction. Our daily life also related to reaction. When we heat the water and submit some quantity of rice, and after some times we also obtain boiled rice. This is the chemical reaction. But in chemical reaction, what happen? What we also say that it means what is chemical equation. Now our next topic is chemical equation. Okay. chemical equation. Chemical equation also depends on chemical reaction. The indication of chemical reaction, the indication of chemical reaction in which molecular formula or symbol are used in the place of reactants and products is called chemical equation. The indication of chemical reaction in which molecular formula, one word also struck our mind, molecular formula and symbol. This is the basic conception of chemistry symbol. I hope that you also learned in class 7th, but molecular formula is related to the syllabus of 9th class. I hope that you also already prepared this word molecular formula are used in the place of reactants and products is called chemical formula. यानी इन हिंदी रासायनिक अभिक्रिया को उनके प्रतिकारक और प्रतिफलों की जगह पर जब हम रासायनिक सूत्र और उनके संकेतों का प्रयोग कर दर्शाते हैं तो उसे हम रासायनिक समीकरण कहते हैं। रासायनिक समीकरण कहते हैं। मोलेकुलर फॉर्मूला, व्हाट इज मोलेकुलर फॉर्मूला? इन हिंदी आणविक सूत्र। देयर आर 3 काइंड्स ऑफ फॉर्मूलाज, मूलानुपाती सूत्र, आणविक सूत्र और संरचना सूत्र। अर्थात मोलेकुलर फॉर्मूला इज ऑल्सो participate its role in the chemical equation. For example, Zn plus H2SO4 arrow ZnSO4 plus H2. This is chemical equation. But when we also used zinc, what happens when zinc reacts with hydrochloric acid? Then we also say that zinc sulfate and hydrogen gas will be our product. This will be chemical reaction. Zn. What is Zn? What is H2SO4? Before arrow, zinc, Zn, the symbol of zinc, Zn, is element and H2SO4 is hydrochloric acid. Zn and H2SO4 is reactants. Reactants. It means we can also say that the element or compound which participates in chemical reaction is as known as reactants in हिंदी. वैसे तत्व या यौगिक जो रासायनिक अभिक्रिया में भाग लेते हैं उन्हें हम प्रतिकारक या अभिकारक कहते हैं. ओके. If anybody asks you what is Zn in this chemical reaction, we can freely answer this question. Zn is reactant. What is H2SO4 in this chemical reaction? We can say that H2SO4 is reactants. It means anybody asks you what is the significance of reactants? We can answer this question. Before arrow, the element or the symbol and the chemical formula of compound is also as known as reactants. Before arrow, then a question also struck me after arrow. What happened after arrow? It means Zn, SO4 and H2. Zn-SO4 and H2. What is Zn-SO4? In this chemical reaction, in this chemical equation, we can say that Zn-SO4 and H2 are products. There are two parts of chemical equation. One reactants and another products. Reactants, the element or compound which participates in chemical reaction is as known as reactants. And after reaction, the element or compound which are obtained, that is as known as product. It means products are always depends on reaction. Reactants. If reactants cannot be possible, we cannot think about products. It means products is always depends on reactants. Okay. Now a word is also derived in the definition of chemical equation. Molecular formula. What is molecular formula? The formula which expresses the real number of atoms, the real number of atoms the real number of atoms of elements in any molecule of compound is as known as molecular formula. The formula which expresses the real number of atoms of elements in any molecule of compound is as known as molecular formula. For example, H2O. What is H2O? The molecular formula or chemical formula of water is as known as H2O. How many molecules of H2O? Then we also answer 1 molecule of H2O. 1. If any chemical formula there is no any number, it means it indicates single or one or unique. In 1 molecule of water, how many atoms of hydrogen? 1 molecule of water, how many atoms of hydrogen? Then we also multiply 1 and 2, our product will 2. We answer this question. In 1 molecule of water, 2 atoms of hydrogen, and 1 into 1, only 1 atoms of oxygen. It means in 1 molecule of water, 2 atoms of hydrogen and 1 atom of oxygen. If we also consider that 5 H2O, it means the molecules of water is 5. What is the number of atoms of hydrogen? Number of atoms of hydrogen, 5 into 2, it means 10. How many atoms of oxygen? It means 5 into 1 into 5. It means in 5 molecules of water, the number of atoms of hydrogen is 10 and the number of atoms of oxygen is 5. What is the ratio of hydrogen and oxygen? 10 upon 5. 2 ratio 1. In the second position. In first position, what is the ratio of hydrogen and oxygen? Hydrogen and oxygen, 2 upon 1, 2 ratio 1. In both situations, both conditions, the ratio of hydrogen and oxygen will be fixed. It means established. So, now we also considered our mind on the definition, chemical reaction, chemical equation, molecular formula, and among 3 examples we also considered our mind, number of atoms, number of molecules. Thanks. In next classes we also considered our mind in next topic. The homework. To prepare dot points about about chemical reaction and chemical equation. Thanks. Please subscribe my channel. Okay.